Unknown tickets, stale issues, statuses nobody trusts, that's not Jira's fault, and here's how to fix it. First, find everything with no owner. Use this query to find every open issue with no assignee. This allows you to go through them one by one and either assign them to the right person, or if the work is no longer relevant, close them. Next, you can look for stale tickets. These are issues that have been open and untouched for weeks. Some of them are legitimate work that stalled. Some of them are tickets that have been completed, but nobody bothered to update Jira. Either way, they need to be resolved. Anything that hasn't moved in 2 weeks shows up here. For each one, you have three options. Close it if the work is done or canceled, reassign it if it's sitting with the wrong person, or you can even add a comment and leave it open if it's still legitimately still in progress. Now we can do a variation of this is for checking for status mismatches or tickets in progress that have had no recent comments or updates. These are tickets where the status says one thing, but you know from a status meeting or talking with someone that the issue is closed or has encountered some type of roadblock. Now, again, ask the signee directly, don't assume, but get an answer before your next sprint review so your board reflects what's actually happening. Now you can look for labels and duplicates. If your team has been tagging issues informally, you probably have 5 variations of the same label. So you can sort by label and you can look for those variations. Here you can see cloud with several variations of case. You can update the label so that they're all consistent. And if you have many that need to be changed, you can do a bulk edit. The next thing that you can look for is duplicate titles. So this would be 2 tickets for the same exact work. And what you could do is you could add a comment to the duplicate task so you have an audit trail and update the status to done to close it out. That's the audit. A clean board only stays clean if you maintain it. 30 minutes every 2 weeks, same queries, same process, done.